guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I just want to share with you all really quickly this RENPHO Air Purifier. It's a really good sized air purifier that would be great for a big bedroom, a big living area, your living room, even your kitchen. So this does have a lot of benefits by owning an air purifier. So I just want to go through some of the benefits before I come closer and show you guys some of the features. What we have low noise, so you're not going to be hearing a lot of noise if you're sleeping. 4 fan speeds, the filter replacement indicator, it has an auto mode and a timer, and also a sleep mode. Now this air purifier complies with the federal ozone emissions limit. It is ARB certified. It has a 5-stage filter, which is really good. And it reduces odors, gases, allergens, including pet dander. If you guys don't own an air purifier, I highly suggest owning one. So let me just bring you guys closer so you guys can see some of the features on the top of the machine. So guys, here we have the on-off button, the speed button, sleep, time, which is 2, 4, or 8 hours, where you can put it on that timer. Then we have the lock button so that your kids or the babies or anyone doesn't touch. Then we have the AQ button and then the filter button. So AQ is air quality, of course. So let me just plug this on so we can actually test it out. You saw that when I plugged it on, that light came on. Now all we have to do is, before we do that, this is what we need to do. We need to remove the filter and set it into place. So guys, before I move ahead on to actually putting it on, we need to check the filter, make sure there's no plastic inside here. So we're just going to place our fingers in between this space right here on both sides and pull it forward, and that's as easy as it is to open up this machine. And then we're going to take this first filter off, and then we're going to take this other filter off, and then this other filter, and then this other filter. So guys, you see the stages that the air is going to go through, so you know you're getting the best quality. I've had different types of air purifiers before, but this one is the first one that has all of these filters, which I would say is a plus in my book. So I'm going to remove the plastic, and we have to place it back exactly how we took them out. So that first one goes in, and then we're going back with this other one. This one has a honeycomb design. So guys, this is your charcoal filter, and I don't know if you guys can see, but inside there we have tiny pellets of charcoal inside of this honeycomb design. Let me come a little bit closer so you guys can probably see. Do you guys see that? All of those tiny pellets. So this goes in here, and this other one is called the activated carbon filter. So this is going to go right here, and it does have Velcro on that previous filter, so it's going to hold this filter into place. And then this is the washable pre-filter that you can wash. And then the cover goes on. Really simple and easy. As simple as that. And all I have to do is press the on-off button. On the side here we have the clean, the air sensor, and it says we need to clean it every 2 months. And that would be right on the end here. And it's really easy to open. Of course, you would read your user manual to find out how to clean that. So guys, on speed 1, it's really quiet. I'm gonna change the speed. That's 2, 3. Can you guys hear that? It's a little bit harder, but it's not anything that's gonna disturb your sleep. And then if you touch it one more time, it goes on to auto which means it will run continuously. Then we have the timer for the 2 or the 4 or the 8 hours. Then we have the lock button if we want to lock it. We'll hold that down and then that would lock into place. We have the air quality and it's on blue, so which means that the air quality is really good right now. And then we have the filter. You will see 1, 2, 3 and 4 and it will tell you which one of the filters in here needs changing. Hence the reason why it has numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 on it. So guys, a really nice size machine. Love the filtration system in this, and it's something that I definitely recommend you guys get one of for your home. I have one in my kitchen, in my living room, in each of the bedrooms, and what I'm going to do is put this into my living room and take the smaller one and put it into my bathroom, so even the bathroom air would be nice and clean. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review for this RENPHO Air Purifier. Nice size. They do have different models, so you guys can check their website, which I will leave the link for down below. So if you all make this purchase, comment and let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure and stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.